Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn to make a delicious and easy beef stew. We only need a few ingredients, so what you'll do is grab 2 carrots, 2 sticks celery, 2 onions, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, salt, pepper, and 2 cups of beer. Next, we're going to rough chop all our vegetables. Grab a pot with olive oil, add your vegetables, salt and pepper. Next, put in your stewing beef and stir. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and that we will put in with the beef and the vegetables. Here you can grab 2 cups of dark beer, so either Guinness or any of your favorite beer, and add to your pot with your vegetables, your beef, your salt and pepper. Add your 2 cans of diced tomatoes and stir. And last, we will add our bay leaves. Let boil on the stove for about 5 minutes and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to bake in your oven for 3 hours. In the last half hour, remove the lid from your pot and let sit for the final half hour. When it's all done, you have the perfect beef stew. Enjoy.